In Harbor Ridge, an aftershock rattles ruined streets as neighbors search for swallowed memories. A veteran engineer explains why aftershocks matter while families recall the first alarms and steady courage, helping others prepare. Survivors share improvised rescues, from shoring cracked walls to shared meals under a blue tarp, and the quiet bravery of neighbors who stayed. Experts outline safer buildings, drills, and mutual aid that turn fear into calm, practiced action in every neighborhood. Dawn reveals a town starting to rebuild, carrying lessons that guard future generations against the next tremor, as communities light small fires of hope.